What happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day? Running is an accessible and highly beneficial form of physical activity, offering a multitude of advantages. While starting a regular running routine may be challenging, the rewards for persistence are significant. Curious about the changes that occur in your body when you run every day? Stick around and watch this captivating video. Let's get started. First and foremost, running can make you happier. Scientific studies have shown that just 30 minutes of running, even at a walking pace, can uplift the mood of individuals suffering from depressive disorders. Running stimulates the production of endorphins, which provide a sense of elation commonly known as the runner's high. Another benefit of running daily is the substantial calorie burn. Running is a high-calorie burning activity. A moderate tempo run by a 70-kilogram runner burning around 20 calories per minute. In 30 minutes, this adds up to an impressive 366 calories. Furthermore, running against wind, uphill, or at a faster pace increases calorie expenditure even more. Contrary to popular belief, running is actually good for your knees. Research has indicated that runners experience less knee pain compared to non-runners. Running helps maintain a healthy body mass index, strengthening leg muscles and promotes strong bones. With each foot strike, the stress on your muscles, tendons, and ligaments stimulates adaptation and strength building. Other activities like walking or swimming don't provide the same impact load necessary for optimal muscle and bone strengthening. Regular running contributes to a healthy heart. Aerobic exercise, including running, enhance cardiovascular fitness. Interestingly, even short durations of slow jogging, as little as 10 minutes, can reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases when performed consistently. In addition to physical benefits, running improves brain function. Engaging in aerobic exercises that elevate heart rate and induce sweating has been significantly proven to enhance cognitive abilities. So, if you find yourself struggling with forgetfulness or difficulty concentrating, put on your running shoes and hit the road. Better sleep is another advantage of regular running. A small experiment demonstrated that individuals who ran at a moderate tempo for at least 30 minutes, at least 5 times a week, reported improved sleep quality and overall mental well-being. Running also strengthens your immune system, reducing the risk of various forms of cancer and enhancing overall immunity. When it comes to physical appearance, running contributes to sculpting beautiful legs. The lower body muscles, including hips, calves, buttocks, receive an excellent workout during running. Additionally, the abdominal and back muscles play a role in stabilizing the body while running, leading to an overall body conditioning. Now, let's discuss how to run safely every day. Following these simple rules will help prevent running injuries. Number 1, invest in proper running shoes. As regular shoes aren't designed for running and may not provide adequate protection. Number 2, gradually increase the intensity of your workouts. Number 3, include cross-training activities like swimming or cycling to engage different muscle groups. Number 4, remember to warm up before you run and stretch afterwards. Number 5, consider seeking guidance from a running coach who can identify any technique flaws and assist you in correcting them. One common question for novice runners is whether it's better to run on the street or use a treadmill. Let's delve into this topic further. Psychologically, running on the street can be more enjoyable, providing a sense of movement and a connection to the surrounding. However, various factors can come into play. If you reside in an area with polluted air due to vehicles or factories, running on the street may lead to harmful metal accumulation in your body, negatively impacting your health. In such cases, running on a treadmill in a gym with filtered air can be a safer alternative. If you have access to a park nearby, running outdoors allows you to enjoy oxygen-rich environments. Street running also offers greater flexibility in terms of training volume and speed variation. Feel free to share your running experiences in the comment section. Do you prefer running on the street or using a treadmill? We'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.